La, la. That's what happens sometimes when you try to help out, and some people see it in a different way. But hey, that will never change who I am. Okay, I am always going to sit here and try to be as helpful as possible. Try to encourage you as much as I can. But hey, before we do anything else today, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, and also don't forget to share. That way, other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Also, don't forget, don't forget to comment if you don't have any words of encouragement, because yeah, the market is turbulent and most people don't understand it. Most people are going to make mistakes, so we need words of encouragement for all of them. If you can think of anything that can lift somebody else's spirits up, put it down in the comments. But if you're going to be negative and cry about price and stuff like that, please go find your crypto junk, because I will delete the comment and I will block you from my channel. Okay? Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we we better check. We check out the market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check out the prices in details. And once we're done with that, I will tell you, in my opinion, if it is a good time to get those positions in, or maybe still we can step on the scalp in the market. That's like I have been doing, for the past, a month and a half, who knows, something like that. Anyways, now, let me set this down. Okay, now we are supposed to do questions and answers, but as you guys know, I had to do a different kind of video for that. So today, let's have our questions and answers. Let's jump straight into it. My YouTube and my videos, and open my videos up, and we're gonna grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's trade according to your risk. We're gonna start with that one. Okay, we go to the comments and we open this up. Let's see. Say thanks, MFG. Made a move on Kaspa. Of course, you are supposed to be making moves, player. That's the way it works. You are not going to be able to be rich if you don't make a move. If you keep on crying because market is going up or is going down, you are not going to get rich. It's generational wealth opportunity that people are not paying attention to. Okay, I've been telling you guys. For example, most guys are not paying attention. Like I said, the Japanese trade is what's happening right now. Most people are expecting to be a one huge drop. No. And this is why I still think that the market is going to go down a little bit lower. Okay, so you have to make a move. Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, Cash. The cash part is also going to make sense in a little bit. You have to make moves. Let me show you something right quick. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, this is the Bitcoin chart. You guys already know my chart is full of lines and stuff like that. If you don't understand it, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. First, we look at the VPVR. Okay, when you look at it, you will see that here it's a lot of volume there, and this is the levels which we are standing right now, which is the $69,000 to $67,000. Okay, now when you see that, you try to see another structure that is actually showing its own self right now. Most people are not looking at it. An inverse head and shoulder, that's what it's showing. Okay, and this will lead you down to the next target. Once we lose this support, which I think we will, when I'm about to explain in a minute why I think we will lose it, which we will go all the way back down. As you guys can see, the next support to that is sitting at $40,000. That's where it is sitting. And again, if you look at it, it's exactly where the support band for Bitcoin is. Okay, normally, like I said, Bitcoin is not being controlled, manipulated left and right. We were all thinking, okay, which again, when I say we, it's because I am included into it, because I personally, excuse me, let me go back here. I thought, first of all, with the way they're trying to save the dollar, okay, maybe we're going to have some kind of store of value, gold going up, and gold being so much money made out of it, is going to people going to take so much profits, and then those of them who are still trying to pump Bitcoin, for them to get more money out of Bitcoin, they were going to pump it to $150,000. That was one of the theories that I was thinking about. Although, like I told you guys, since last year, I told you guys August, July, that's when I thought the bull run was going to end. And actually, that's when I closed my long position. And rightfully so. Like I said, imagine if I had told you open long positions by then. Did you imagine how many people would have lost money? And I told you, I'm not going to show you my long positions on Bitcoin until I open them again. Because yeah, I started massive profits. I took a lot of profits out of it, but it's not a good thing to do, because I firmly believe that July, August was going to be the top. And so much I preached about it here day after day on my channel. But anyways, going back to the thing, yeah, price is going down, market is doing this, but you need to do a move, make a move, because without making a move, you, my friend, you are not going to make any money. Now, it's risky to short the market, even though, like I said, I know it's going to go down 35, 40,000, but I'll start making my move when we start hitting $45,000, because hey, we are looking at things that looks way different when you start looking at the macroeconomic calendar. And a lot of people are saying, yeah, wait until November this year. I don't think so. Me, I will start looking at the market very, very closely. April, May, thereabout. I'll start looking at the market, as I think that's when I will start looking for positions to get in for my long-term long position. So it's up to you. You can do whatever you want to do. But like again, you can see it right here on my chart. Okay, you can see it. It is sitting right there, right in front of you. You see where the price action is. I am monitoring price to hit this long-term support for Bitcoin, and that long-term support right now is sitting at that $39,000-$40,000. But hey, I don't like to wait for price confirmation. I will probably get above. I will get in there way before it hits that $40,000, maybe 45,000 or 43,000. I will get into my positions. Okay. Anyways, now let's go back. Let's continue, and we're gonna have here the next one. Is say, even though it hurts to was to see the dip, feels good to buy it. Of course, that's what it is. Okay, you are not supposed to sit there and cry about it. You need to make a move. Buy the dip, because you never know. It might not go lower. It might go lower. It depends on you. That's why I have buy orders. I showed you to you the other day. I have buy orders at each levels. As the price goes down, I keep buying. Okay. CSA, true, my man. Very right. Buy what you can. Buy what you can afford. Step back a bit. Only invest what you can. MMG, thank you, bro. Music in my ear. Every time you drop videos, thanks. Like and subscribe. Well, thanks you, man. Thank you. Thank you for being part of my millionaire journey. Without your encouragement, I don't think I would have kept on doing this. Again, I'm trying to roll. They say birds of a feather, they flock together, right? So I'm trying to be with like-minded people. Like I'm telling you, Casper is going to make me rich. I don't know about you, if you believe the same shit. One day we're going to sit with our maxi mugs and celebrate, right? Let's go to the next one. I was actually waiting for Casper to go to 1 cent so I can load up, but it ended up 2.5 cents. Well, that's me. I'm still waiting. If Bitcoin drops to 39 or $40,000, Casper has a very high probability to drop that low, okay? Because unfortunately, everything is tied to Bitcoin. People are going to panic sell and do stuff like that. But I have my doubts. My doubts of seeing Casper at 1 cent are due to the following. We know May 4th, the first step for VPROX mainnet will go live. And when that happens, that means applications from Ethereum, from the dying one Ethereum, the Crashilandia, the Hackylandia, everybody could start migrating to Casper. That, my friend, could create a very, very strong, powerful buy. That's why I'm telling you guys, I will start looking at myself, my positions on Casper, Jasmine, Quant, Bitcoin, and the rest of them that I want to long for the next bull run. I will start looking at my entries in that April or May, depending. Maybe March. At the end of next month or middle of next month, I'll start looking at what the market is doing. I will start trying to make my positions to go in. So yeah, 1 cent possible. But is it going to get there? That is where the question mark is. Because yeah, I told you guys, and I've been saying it, Casper is going to be the only one running hard in 2026, right? Let's go to the next one. It says, saludos. Hola, mi hermano. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal, hermano? ¿Cómo van las cosas por allá? Espero que muy bien. A ver si otra vez puedo volver a echarle una mano cuando pueda, ¿sí? Que tenga buen día y saludos a la familia, por favor. Are we in bear market? No, we are not in bear market. We're not. Because right now, I will say it and I will say it again. One, a bear market usually happens when Bitcoin pumps, all coins pump, and everything drops. So far, Bitcoin is the only thing that have reached the targets which people were expecting. Like I told you again, and I will repeat it. Last year, I told you, July, August, that will be the top. If you believe me, great. If you did not, that's you. But we have not seen altcoin season yet. For one simple fact, like I said here, even the entire last year or a year before that, money will not trickle down. It will not happen. Now, when the Clarity Act going live, we are going to have us a different set of opinion. And I will keep saying again, just like I said last year, in altcoins, your money is on utility coins. Okay, so just sit tight and wait. The unfortunate part of it is like Bitcoin keeps dropping, altcoins keep losing more and more of their value. But bear market, no, we are not. We are not in bear market yet. Go look at it. Extreme fear. We haven't hit the pi cycle top. There's so many things that shows you we're not in bear market. What you're looking at right now is just panic selling. People just not knowing what to do. That's what you're looking at. Okay, let's go next one. When Casper hit $1-2, you will be too late to to back your bags. Get in a bit. Well, that's something I've been saying. You need to want to get in when the market is a blood in the market. You don't want to get in when everybody and their grandmama is now an expert in Casper and everybody can explain Casper the way they believe it is. You want to get in right now, okay? So waiting for nobody, but more Casper and holding Casper for long term. Close your eyes, listen to the white paper Casper. Say what? Excuse me. The 100% Bitcoin has first mover advantage. BIC big hedge fund, which paper Bitcoin Casper is your freedom right in front of your face. Make more. That's something again I've been trying to explain. Most people still believe Bitcoin supply this and that. Listen, the supply for Bitcoin don't matter no more. Bitcoin cannot be. You can now get Bitcoin in any way you want. ETFs, you can gamble on it. You can futures and everything else you can do on it. It's no longer the same. Most guys are not going to realize it until it's too late. Like I've started telling you guys, we are swapping from Bitcoin control cycle to a Casper control cycle. That's what we are going to see from now on. Because Casper is now Bitcoin is now being treated like a tech stock. Now look at it like Nvidia, like Google and stuff like that. That's what it is getting treated as. And sooner than later, a lot of people are going to start to realize that Bitcoin is not what they were told it is. The thing that is fulfilling that role is Casper. You watch out, you will see. Okay. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Good work, MMJ. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Good work for you. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you. First to comment, you called it 59K to 71K store of value, right? Like I said, it's manipulation and you can see it yourself. Okay, you can see it right there. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Next one is Casper. Another chance to get cheap Casper. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the comments, which is here. You say, "Hi, brother. I love you, your positivity. I read the white paper of Casper, Tao, QNT, Jasmine last week, and then I'm sure. Let's go. What was said last week? Casper will survive the next 50 years to come. Soon it will get mass adoption. It has the best technology of all the time. The first is Casper, the second Quant and Tao, and the third one is Jasmine. Well, I will agree with you to some extent. I wouldn't add Tao to it because Tao, my friends, is something. Like I said, if somebody comes out tomorrow and opens the same code, because like I said, those codes are open source, right? You can just go copy and paste it and change the name on it, but open it, put it on Casper. Trust me, the Tao as you know it right now is going to die. It's going to go away because AI is not like most people are painting it to be. AI is not something that will go live today and life and everything else will change. AI still has a long way to go. It's like, you remember when the internet came, right? .com, everything.com, AOL, blah, blah, blah. How long did it take it to go from that slow dial-up internet to what we have today? You see, that's the same thing with AI. AI is still at its beginning. Most of these companies are not going to make it past next bull run. And you will see, right? That's why I explained in one of my other videos, and you can see it before when a company comes out and, oh, we're investing in AI, their stocks, boom, it went high, right? But 2026 come, any company that comes out, say, oh, we are investing in AI, the stock value, and way down we go, oh, right? So it is here to be seen. I would rather put my money on something that will surely survive, like you said, Casper, Quant. Casper, because yeah, the money, the money, the way we know it, is going to be redefined again once Casper gets these VPROC, stable coins, and everything else to it. You will see. That's why I'm putting my mouth on Casper. Again, Bitcoin, the hype is still there. Okay, until the hype dies down, I will sell all that Bitcoin. But yeah, I agree with you on some extent. Like I said, the other part of the extents, nah, Tao, I don't think so. Let's watch and see. Okay. Like I say, I'm not right the entire time. You might be right about Tao, but for me, I don't think so. Say just bought $20. Well, you can only buy what you can afford. Don't try to buy what you cannot. That's okay. Investing is always a good thing. At least you got your toes in the water. Okay. Say, grab your Kaspa Maxi mug and change your life. Of course, shit. Kaspa Maxi mug. My mug is going to change my life for sure. Thank you, brother. Let's see the next one. There is more probability to see a consolidation bottom than a V bottom, which means more downside incoming. Yeah, that's a lot. Also another way to see it. Other than not just that, okay? Listen, for me, if you look at the V-shaped bottom, it would have been different if the macroeconomy doesn't do what it's going to do in a couple. It has already started. You remember? I know a lot of you have been, if you've been here for a while, I've been telling you, preparing you that the Japanese carryover trade is happening. Most people don't understand what's going on. The new prime minister got elected in Japan, right? And she said something that caught my attention. She said she is going to boost their own currency, which means they are not going to print. They are going to increase their interest rate. You understand? How are you going to do tax cuts and everything else without printing your currency, without printing more money? How do you do that? The same thing that the US is also doing. Like I told you, they are not printing money. Japan, they have one option. They are holding $1.4 trillion on US treasuries. They are going to sell those. That's the only way they can do whatever that she promised. They are going to sell them. As a matter of fact, if you go look at the treasury, the US Feds, they have $1.4 trillion from COVID money ready because they know they are going to sell it. And as the more of they sell it, they start buying it. If you guys remember the last time when the Central Bank of Japan made this move, what happened to the Dixie? Dixie tried to go down, right? And I told you, the Japanese carry trade started on the 7th. They started releasing it slowly. They can't just dump it all at once, because that that would mean war. It has started. And if you look here, trading view, look at the Dixie. Okay, look at the Dixie. It started dumping yesterday, and today is right back up again. So the more they dump it, the more the U.S. central bank buys it back. So look at it. If you check this yesterday, this was sitting at 94, I think it was. So things are playing out just like I told you. Okay, you can see yesterday it was sitting right there. See, right there. That's where it was sitting at. 72, not 94. 72. See the date? So, oh crap, not that one. He's sitting by the all-time high. Sorry, let me go back in days, in 5 days exactly. This is what I want to see. See, yesterday that's where it was sitting at. It kept running down, and every time everybody else still afraid that, oh yeah, this is going to drop. Oh yeah, this is going to do this. Oh yeah, this is going. No, it's the Japanese carry trade. They front run it. Okay, by the beginning of the month, we were sitting there 95, and then yesterday it dropped a little bit, but now it's picking back up again. So I don't understand why people are so set and bent on that. Yeah, they're going to print more money. They're not going to print more money. So the carry trade is what's happening right now. The Japanese, they're trying to save their currency, and therefore they are going to jack up their interest rates, okay, and they're going to sell US treasuries. That's what's going to happen. The US, what they're going to do, they have a way of injecting the COVID money somewhere by buying those US treasuries, jack up the interest rates, not cut them. They are going to raise interest rate, and that, my friend, will even boost the strength of the dollar even up. You're not even talking about pegging them to stable coins. So yeah, things are playing out just like I told you they would. Last year, I told you, July, August, Bitcoin would top. Now, I start telling you, pay attention to the Japanese carry trade. And now, if they start dumping that, because like, you borrowed money from Japan at 0 interest, people made the money. Now, if they raise interest, what will happen is that people will start selling the stock that they bought with that money or whatever they invested it into the US economy, and that will also add up to the pressure. Like I told you, that Hail Mary rollover for the stock market will happen. Okay, let's watch and see. Okay, it is up to you. Anyway, this one, oh, thanks for the emojis. This one say you are the best. My friend going, oh, thank you much. Thank you so much. Great fan of you and love Casper. Oh, whoa. Thanks, man. Thanks. I have a fan. Thank you. Say, hello, everyone. I see this as an opportunity. The market is giving us time to fill our bags. Of course, we want the price to reflect on Casper, and that will happen. So instead of thinking in 2 or 3 months, as you have bought, let's do things intelligently and act calmly and consistently. I bought 11 cents, 14 cents, and 4 cents. But the important thing isn't your entry point, but filling your bags. Well, you see, it's also talking about the same thing. Thank you, man. Thank you. The same thing I'm saying. You bought it at 14 cents. Trust me, you are not going to remember that you bought it at there when the Casper starts to hit $2, $3, $4. It's the same situation with me with XRP. I keep telling you guys, I bought XRP by accident because I was chasing green candle. But guess what? I bought it at 12, 13 cents. Right now, I don't give a shit because guess what? It is sitting high up there. When Casper starts to go over there, $5, $6, $10, $20, you are not going to remember that you bought it at 14 cents. As a matter of fact, a lot of people will sit here when you tell them, let me see. Right? Right now, nobody gives a crap. Nobody wants to put their money in it. But you are doing the right thing. Okay? I'm not a financial advisor, but like I said, I'm doing the same thing like you. As a matter of fact, tomorrow you are going to see me. I have another purchase. No matter what the price is, I'm going to buy Casper tomorrow, and I will show it to you guys. Okay, so it's the best thing you do. Make a move, even when the market is bloody. Right? Let's go to the next one. Say thank you for the knowledge, MMJ. No. Thank you, man. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being part of my millionaire journey. Thank you for being a witness That way, someday when I tell people I started from here and here I am today with a multi-millionaire, multi-millionaire portfolio, you are going to be my witness. Be like, yeah, I was there when it happened, and I'm hopefully going to be a witness of your wealth too, to be able to testify this guy was with me on this journey. Okay, thank you so much. Say, as always, great videos and content. Keep on going, MMJ. Oh, thank you so much. I will keep on going, my brother, because hey, if I can help somebody be financially free, even out of the 10,000 out there, if I can just help one or two, I have accomplished my goal. That's me. So thank you so much for the encouragement. Say, I follow you. Do you know we are in a bear market? No, we are not in a bear market. I don't think so. Load your Casper and do the regular job. Just wait and see. Exactly the same thing. Stop panicking. You'll be all right. Okay. Casper and emoji. All right. Oh, yeah, I love that heart emoji. Say, I am investing the money I am willing to forget. If it win, good. If it lose it, at least I try. I will keep trying. You see, that's the same thing. I'm not. I said it here before too. I'm not going to speculate on that boat. I am in that boat. If it sinks, at least I try to get it. If it sails and we get to that rich man island, I'm going to be on it. And a lot of people that didn't take that risk, it's up to them. The only thing that matters to me, that I'm consistent and I am very, very patient. So tomorrow I'm buying more Kaspa. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Let's go see the next one. At least you got some Bitcoin because he will offset the Kaspa losses. No. That's not true. Does not obsess anything. It's your investment. It don't matter what Bitcoin does or what Bitcoin does not do. That is not the whole plan. The plan is believing in what you do. If you are investing because Bitcoin will obsess this and this and that, you are fighting a losing battle. You need to find something you believe in, something you have your conviction in. Some people believe gold is better, so they go in gold, they go in silver. I bought gold, but as soon as I start seeing it going up, I stop buying gold. I have enough. I'm sit right tight. The same thing, 30 Bitcoins. I have enough. I will sit right tight. Right now I'm piling up on Casper because again, what am I looking for? Generational wealth. It doesn't matter whether gold does good or it doesn't. What matters is that Casper proved to the entire world what it is, the real Bitcoin. And when it goes up there, the offset you're talking about Bitcoin will not matter. And it's a matter of time before that happens, and you're going to see it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Thumbs up to you too, my brother. We keep the Kaspa vibe going. People just don't see it. Of course. Are we buying private jets yet? Shit, I will never buy a private jet, man. That is a gas and money hustle. I mean, you're going to lose a lot of money with that thing. What's the point of buying a private jet? You don't fly it every day. So, I don't see the reason. I'm going to go to the airport just like everybody else. Or if I want to fly private, I'll just rent it for the journey and then I'll leave it alone. You have to be smart with your investments. I'm not buying a private jet. I will never do it. Okay, hi, brother. I love you for your positivity. I read, oh, well, we already did this. I already answered this question. Saludos, mi hermano. Saludos. Let's see. Aquí, I'm turning to you for encouragement, bro. Of course. And if I'm helping, shit, that's what I want. I want to be able to help, encourage you. Don't feel bad. Don't really give in to the pressure. The market will do what it wants to do. It's not the first time we've seen the market being red, and I can guarantee you it's not going to be the last time neither. The only thing that matters is you making a move. What do you do about it? Okay, if you make a move about it, you are going to, trust me, like for example, let me tell you, back in 2017, when the Bitcoin went to $20,000, when it fell all the way down to 3,500, a lot of people were crying about it. They were saying Bitcoin was dead, the crypto market was gone. Yours truly, I made a move. I bought Bitcoin, 3,500. Where am I today with it? You see, all that matters is that you make that move. The same thing with Casper, 20 cents, right? All the way back down to 1 cent. And what are people saying? Casper is dead. Casper is not good. They're not looking at the development. They're not looking at the tech. They're not looking at what is bringing to the table and how the entire financial sector is changing. They're not looking at that. Everybody's busy looking at something else. Trust me, we are not going far. By the end of this year, we will see. You will see what they're going to say about Casper. You just watch and see. So please, stay patient, stay consistent at what you're doing. It always pays. And I can testify on it. You're talking to somebody who's been through that. I know. Okay? Therefore, yeah, I don't want people repeating my old mistakes. That's why I'm telling you, Casper, Quant, Jasmine, Cash, you need to hold those things. Because, well, you will see. Let's go to the next one. Okay, that was the last comment on that. Let's go to the next video, and which is King Casper, Cheap Casper Millionaire. Let's click on that. Okay, let's go to the comments. Let's go here. Casper is the blockchain technology, and we will free people from the sick west sick west elites. Well, I'm not trying to get free from them. I'm trying to become one of them. I'm trying to get my black ass on the Forbes magazine. That's what. I don't want to be free from them. I want you to look at Forbes top 10 richest people in the United States, and then you see my black hairs right there, MMJ with my maxi mug. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Hello, my friend. Hey, my friend, how you doing? How are you doing, brother? Says, should we be afraid about ETH copying the technology of Casper? No, man, no. Let me tell you. Ethereum, no matter how much they try, they cannot copy the technology of Casper. What are they going to do? Go back to proof of work? Is that what they're going to do? How? The only way it will work is for them to go back to proof of work, and right now they can't. They are going to be proof of stake forever, and that does not change that proof of stake security is next to zero. It's worthless. They can't. No matter how they try. You see how many updates have they pushed out ever since the Caspers started biting their heels? One thing people don't understand is this. You might try to copy someone as best as you want to, but you will never be that person. I've seen impersonation, right? People that are trying to talk like somebody else, but they will never sound exactly like that person. Okay? Ethereum can never, ever copy what Casper is doing. It's a dying one, I'm telling you. It's a dying one. What is he going to do with all the layer 2 that they got? Just cut them off and throw them away? I'm telling you, it's about to be a mass migration. Once May 4th come in and the first steps of VPROX go live, there's going to be a mass migration to Casper. Watch and see. And this is why I'm telling you, I am looking for price. My entry, my longs for my bull run begins April, May, maybe March. That's when my bull run begins. When everybody else is going to still be in the bear market, but mine, that's when my bull run begins. Well, it's up to you. Well, anyways, let's go to the next one. And see, have invaded Greenland already. I thought they are making plans to take it by force. You are talking to Trump issues. It's all about, again, the dollar. It's all about the dollar. There's nothing more. They are trying to fix the currency. You think that all these years they didn't know about Greenland? They knew. Until somebody started putting shit out there talking about the US dollar not being the reserve currency. Now they are controlling all the strategic points. Venezuela, Greenland, the Bermuda, the Iran. They are going to control it. That way they choke China, they choke Russia, they choke everybody else, and US still be number one. That's all the entire plan. And you will see it will, because US right now is very strong. The US is a very strong nation. The only difference is that the Chinese, they come out, they show everybody, oh, we got us this nice ass weapon. Oh, we got us this airplane. Russians, the same thing. Oh, Reshnik is doing this, and this one is going to the stratosphere and is having Uncle T hanging on the back, going through the sky. And they show you everything they have. But the US never reveals what they have. And I don't have to tell you twice. The dog that does not bark is a very nasty dog. They are very violent, and you have to understand it. Okay? Anyways, let's go to the next one. Say, welcome to my eyes, ears, and soul. Love your channel. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the encouragement. Welcome. Welcome to the Millionaire family. Thank you. Let's go. Wow, nice emojis. Saludos. Realmente ha sido muy buenos precios para comprar. Dios bendiga a aquellos que han podido hacerlo. ¿Ves? I'm telling you. Es lo que le estoy diciendo a la gente. No hay que mirar que el mercado está cayendo. Siempre hay que hacer esos movimientos, porque cuando compras, de aquí a 3 o 2 años, esos precios ya no los vas a volver a ver. Así que los que no compran, ese es su problema, ¿no? Y se ponen a llorar porque están cayendo, pues allá ellos, ¿vale? Gracias, mi amigo. And let's see. Keep Casper coin perfect for my retirement. Well, that's what I said. Casper coins just me cash, okay? You can go and research. Just research and look at it. Okay, best. Oh, thank you so much. It's our responsibility to keep Casper community strong and hold it tight. Yeah, it's our responsibility. But some people just want to jump bridges. They don't want to see the reality. and that's something that we can't do nothing about, okay? How much longer can the market makers keep the cycle suppressed? Something has to give. Of course, it has to, and it has already started. It has already started. Like I said, generational wealth is taking place right now. If you cry, that's up to you. We still have lows to go. Like I said, stock market probably still have like 5 or 10% to the top side, and then the rollover begins. Or maybe the rollover has already started, because that Japanese carry trade is already happening right now. It's already happening. So, it's up to you. Make a move or cry. Nobody else has nothing to do about it but you. Do you want to be rich? Make a move. Do you want generational wealth? Make a move. Don't sit there and expect me to tell you, hey, it's time for you to do this. No, I'm only showing you what I am doing. I'm not your financial advisor anyway. So that's what you need to tell people. Anyone who wants to listen, great. If they don't want to, that's great. They will end up exactly like they're doing right now. Last year, I told them, July, August, you guys will bear me. You guys are my witnesses. I said it here time after time. It's not going to last long. The Bitcoin price, July, August. I was called they say I was delusional. They said I didn't know what I was doing. But oh well, I did what I do best, right? I tell you, if you believe, great. If you don't, that's great. I closed my positions, and I'm still in profit due to the erratic movement of the what you call it. Man, I can't talk. Excuse me, let me just drink some water. Just a second. Coffee is better. Due to the erratic movement of the macroeconomic, that's why I did not short. I did not short Bitcoin. So anyways, yeah, it's the same thing. You're telling people buy right now. Nobody's going to listen to you until Casper start hitting $1. Casper start hitting $5, $10. Then they will realize that, oh, what MMJ was talking about was right. When MMJ was saying Casper is the real Bitcoin, he was right. Right now, they're not listening. What can I do about it but to keep preaching it, right? Someday, you will come back and they will say, yeah, you was right. Anyways, now let's go to the next one. Say, I'm Lord Casper. Oh, Lord Casper, you are welcome to the MMJ family, Lord Casper. Let's go to the next video. Let's go to the next one. Say, King Casper, stay strong. You will make it. Okay, let's go to the next. And I need the comments right here. Let's go here. We will be reaching with Casper. Of course, we will be. We'll be rich. Hashtag Casper. Hell yeah. Sea, ojalá pudieras hacer videos en español o configurar para que siga traductor automáticamente. Mira, no es que no quiera hacer los videos en español. Me gustaría hacerlos en español. Pero el problema está en que mi audiencia, el 90% de mi audiencia son anglófonos. Escuchan más el inglés que el español. La configuración sigue ahí. Es usted el que tiene que mirar su configuración y hacer que esté traducido. Porque ya está traducido en español. está todavía ahí. Váyase en su configuración, en la pequeña barrita, no es una barrita, la pequeña ruedita de arriba, bájese en audios y se lo va a traducir en cualquier idioma que usted quiera. Lo tengo traducido mis vídeos a más de 50 idiomas, ¿vale? Lo siento mucho si no sale, si no es porque quizás tienes que hacer un update a tu app de YouTube, o no sé si lo estás mirando por teléfono o con una computadora, pero tienes que hacer un update para que tu YouTube se actualice y todo vuelva a ser igual. Están allá configurados, ¿ok? Perdona si no sale así, no es mi intención, ¿ok? All right, let's go to the next one. Thumbs up, yeah. After los videos, I just said MMJ, I read this and he said the monetary system and the store of value. Okay, this comment right here, like I said, I was going to I'm going to try to be as brief as possible. Okay, first of all, what is a store of value of an asset? Why is it considered a store of value? One, the most easiest part of it is that one is not easily manipulated. That's one. Look at gold. See gold? Gold prices are not easily manipulated. Compare that to Bitcoin. Bitcoin prices can swing up or down depending on what they want on those ETFs. See gold prices, how they move. It takes years for gold to reach all-time high. It takes more years for gold to go to the all-time lows. Bitcoin, what do you have? How long does it take for Bitcoin to hit all-time high? How long does it take for it to hit the all-time low? Now, next step, difficulty of getting them. For you to get gold is very and extremely difficult. For you to get Bitcoin is as easy as ABC. You can mine it if you have it, if you have the miners. If it was too expensive for you to use miners, you can buy it OTC on exchange or wherever you want to buy it. Okay? Or let's just say you don't want to spend too much money, which is what people are doing now. They don't want to buy the actual Bitcoin. All they just do is buy the paper Bitcoin. Cheaper, but if things play out, they make more money instead of buying the actual Bitcoin. What do you think Michael Saylor is doing? See? So yeah, Bitcoin is not a store of value. It's not. There's no way. It's not. So it's just something that they've been playing and playing over and over. Now that people have begun to question it, they've changed. Because Bitcoin started as money, peer-to-peer transaction. That's what it started. When it fell at that, now they're talking about store of value. Why? What classifies it as a store of value? Nobody wants to tell you. I told you that what confuses people is the market cap. That's what confuses people. And because it has the first mover's advantage. That's it. What are they going to say when Casper start hitting 2, 3, 4, 5 trillion dollars? Are they going to call it store of value? Is that what they're going to do? Because again, I'll tell them they're wrong. Casper is not store of value. Casper is money. Peer-to-peer money. So yeah, I read your comment and it deserves an entire video. I will make an entire video explaining in details, okay? This is just a quick answer to your comment, okay? Let's go to the next one. And say, oh, crap. I don't know what this is. Let's translate it. Thank you so much for from Netherlands, Mr. Casper. I'm curious if you also speak Dutch. I trust you. Oh, no. Thank you very much, Mr. Casper. I'm from the Netherlands. Oh, hey, man. Hey, how you doing? Man, I'm international. I am so grateful right now that people watch me all over the world. I am so happy. Thank you. For the Netherlands, no, unfortunately, I don't speak that language. I speak all the different ones: French, English, Spanish, Igbo, Hausa. There's a bunch of them I speak, Portuguese, and the rest of them. Okay, I'm learning right now. I'm learning Korean, but no, I don't speak that. I know Netherlands. I know it much more because of the soccer. Okay, that's when Sivor was my best soccer player from that country. So because I watch and I play soccer, that's how I know about your country. But hey, thank you so much for being part of my Millionaire family. Okay, let's go to the next one. If price goes on the 3 cents, gonna buy some more Casper, just like MMJ said, we will be okay. Of course, in turbulent time, you'll be okay. This is how people make money. You have to be in it. You have to be consistent. Do not get disencouraged by price action. Don't do that. That's how you lose money. Look at Warren Buffett. He is the one that's piling up on cash because he knows stock market is about to do a Hail Mary. And he's about to start piling up on that. That's the guy that I look up to when he's investing. If he puts $10 million in one asset, I go put my 1 cent in it. That's how I do it. Do not get discouraged because price is going down. Casper is going to make me rich. That's why I am piling on it. And I'm telling you, if you've researched Casper, it is going to make you a multi-millionaire. Well, right now, you and I, people are looking at us like we were crazy, right? For buying and more Casper. Sooner than later, we will see who the crazy one was. Watch and see. Okay, let's go to the next one. A heart. Wow, that's King Kaspa. Hell yeah. Nothing wrong with having conviction, but same time, while you keep sliding further down with Kaspa, I keep gaining every day on gold and silver. Makes listen, bro. Hey, good thing. As long as you make money and you're happy with it, that's a good thing. But unfortunately, my friend, I will have to disagree with you into investing into gold and silver right now. I sit with my conviction. Most of my wealth is in gold. You guys already know that already. But I will not recommend you getting into gold right now. Because gold, yeah, I can see them hot potatoes coming. Yeah. I can see it coming. It's like those of them who were telling people to buy Bitcoin at 125,000 when I was telling them, hey, July, August, it will be over. And they said, no, I was crazy, right? People got into Bitcoin. Where are they today? Yeah. It's the same thing right now. It's a good thing. If you have a long-term vision, okay, that's great. But in the next 4 to 5 years, yeah, I don't want to be in gold or silver. Trust me. It's a Hail Mary that's about to happen. The world order is getting reset. And my friend, the way they shut them silver and gold up, yeah. My hands are not strong enough to hold that hot potato. That's all I can tell you. Okay, let's go to the next one. Very bullish. If not all-time high this year, I'm okay with the next year. Of course, shit, I'm okay with it. The next, like I said, start watching me, my positions, probably April, May, or maybe March. I will start trying to look for entry position for my long-term next bull run targets. That's what I'm doing. Okay, thank you so much for the hearts. Oh, thumbs up. 2026 is the year. I will say 78 cents. Of course, 78 cents, maybe even higher than that. I'm telling you guys, Casper is a $10 coin. Most people don't want to believe it. Casper is a $10 coin. Well, we're no longer far, right? May 4th, we start seeing a little bit of sneak peek of what VPROX can do. And you will see. Casper is a $10 coin. Well, don't say I didn't tell you. I usually tell everybody like this, and then people call me crazy, and then I will have to make a video again like I did the one yesterday, telling you I told you so. July, August last year, didn't I? I told you so. Oh well, it is what it is. They don't want to believe in Casper. You and I, we keep packing our bags, because Casper is going to make me rich in the short term. Long term, is going to make me a multi-millionaire, and you guys are going to be witnesses of it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, that was the last one for that. Okay, last but not the least, this one. Now let's go into comments. Say, let's go, Casper family, buy up the we'll be rich. Shit, I'm gonna be rich. I don't know about you. Hello everyone. Honestly, no stress. It might drop a little more, but it's not enough to stress me out. I don't even care about the 0.1. I know the train will leave and hey, I read your comment earlier and it was so refreshing. So refreshing to see that somebody has the same mentality like me. Man, I will give you a high five right now if he was that close. It's the same thing. When I came into Casper, I put in $600 and look at where I am today. Imagine if I had put in 10 grand. That's the same thing with me. This, with the prices going down, I have buy orders. If Casper drop below 1 cent, trust me, I am putting in $20,000 or $30,000 in that thing. That's what I would do. Okay, yeah. Do not wait. Make a move. For people that are stressing and people that are using money that they can't afford to lose. In crypto or any investment, do not use money that you are not willing to lose. It's that rule number one in investments. Investing in anything, that's the first rule. Okay, let's go to the next one. Say, I'm listening. Thank you, MMJ. Oh, thank you for being part of my millionaire journey. Okay, Bossman in the building. Thanks, MMJ. I wish I knew you a long time. I'm buying more. Oh man, you see, comments like yours, my brother, you all make my day. You make my day. Because again, like I said, birds of the feather flock together. Meaning now I'm having a circle of friends like you that, yeah, we are willing to hustle together. When I'm rich and I go by in a Bentley and I see you coming by with a Mercedes Benz, we will feel good about each other because we were in the trenches together. We hustled together. That's what I talk about. Okay, that is real friendship. So thank you, my brother. Thank you. Next one, I have Quant, Casp, and Jasmine on spot. If the prices would drop more, I will accumulate more. But I don't understand the one thing: why you sold Bitcoin at $75,000 when selling everybody that it will pump. No. Okay, listen. I didn't sell my Bitcoin. I didn't. Everybody here knows it. Like I told you guys, my spot account, I don't touch. I make money on leverage. I was telling you guys July, August last year, right? And in July, August last year, I closed my Bitcoin long positions. That's what I did. Now, the reason why I was telling you $150,000 is because the macroeconomic movements that I'm making right now, those macroeconomy can pump Bitcoin up to $150,000. They can do it. And because of that erratic movement, that's why I did not short the market. I only closed my Bitcoin long positions. I hope I explained myself better, okay? But yeah, the erratic movement, that's why I believe they were going to pump it. But I did not want to take that chance of losing all my gains. Because again, like, see, if I had held that long open, I would have lost, right? I'm a man of principle. I keep my mouth where my money is. When I was telling you July, August, because I was convinced that will be it. And today, a lot of you might be thinking I'm a genius, but I'm not. I just followed what my charts tell me. I've shown you guys my chart here. The lines are there. And I followed them to the T. Okay? Anyways, no, I didn't sell my Bitcoin. I still have my 30 Bitcoins intact. All I'm doing with Bitcoin is leverage traded. And like I said, March, April, I will start looking for entry points for the next bull run position. And when I do, you guys are going to see it, okay? So let's go to the next one. How do you get the signals? How do I get them? Research, my brother. I do my research. There's a lot of things I look at. If I start talking about it here, it would take a whole day. There's so many things I look at for me to be able to plot that chart and make it the way it is. Okay, so each line means something to me. Yeah, look at the love emoji. Kaspa. Everyone is saying that they are buying over the counter directly from the miners or exchanges before they have to buy from exchanges. But if it is ETF, that makes sense. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Nobody's buying the real Bitcoin anymore. Nobody's buying the real Bitcoin. If these ETFs were buying the real Bitcoin, prices would have been pumping to oblivion, but they're not. This is what we call paper Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being manipulated to the highest level. Even Michael Saylor, they are not buying the real Bitcoin. They are buying the paper version of it. That's why we see that, okay? Anyways, let's go to the next one. And say Clarity deadline on Memorial Day. Well, I hope so. Let's see. Thanks for the videos. No, thanks, man. Thanks to you for being part of my millionaire journey. Say, hey, that guy destroyed our Q&A. I know, right? I know, because sometimes you need to put people in their right place. You need to be able to explain, like, listen, this is what I said. My videos are there as proof, right? And nobody believed me when I told them July, August, Bitcoin is going to top out. Nobody believed me. The videos are there. Go look at it. But yeah, I had to come out here and explain it again because, again, most people just wake up one day to try to fuck up people's day. My fault, and I apologize to you guys. I shouldn't have given in to that. But it kind of made me angry a little bit, and I decided to make the clear things up. Okay, I apologize if that rubbed you the wrong way, and I will try my best to be a better man next time. All right, let's go to the next one. MMJ, am I what? I don't understand what you're trying to say, but anyways, that will conclude the session today. Yeah, it's been an hour. I don't want to drag it long, so I guess we'll skip looking at the market today. Oh well, if you follow the beginning of the video, you probably have a clear idea of what my thoughts are on that. Right now, yeah, keep scalping the market. Keep making money, right? Just scalping. I showed you the other day how I do it. If you want to follow the same strategy, that would be great. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm scalping the market. And when it's time to come to open my permanent long position, I'll let you guys know. Okay, thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to drop me a comment. We need to encourage each other. Positive attitude, okay? If you don't have a positive thing to say, please just drop me an emoji. If you can't do that and you want to cry about price, I'm going to delete your comment and I'm going to block you from my channel. Because again, we want people that will pat us on the back and say, you are going to be okay. You will make it. Keep, again, I will say it, be consistent and be patient, guys. If you, those two things, you are going to be rich. That's what I'm practicing. I'll buy, and tomorrow again, I'll show you guys how I buy it. Okay, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It's not okay that we have 400 views and we only got 70 likes. Before you even start watching, drop me a like. And also don't forget to share so that other millionaire minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Until I see you in my next one, my friend, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.